Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Matthew with Matthew Specialized Detailing. Thank you so much for watching. In this video today, we are paint correcting and ceramic coating a 2016 Dodge Hellcat. It's black, it's beat up, it needs some love, so let's get after it. What we're doing in this particular vehicle is just a basic exterior prep to get the vehicle ready for paint correction. So depending on the type of condition that the paint is in when people bring me a vehicle to restore, one of the things you may see me doing at certain times is actually using a clay bar or a nanoskin, like a synthetic clay, at the same time with a wash step. But being that this vehicle is black, I want to be a little bit more specific and pay a little bit more closer attention to where I am doing this and what other defects I might encounter along the way. So having said that, I'm actually going to clean the rims, clean the tires, wash the paint, get everything off the car, get it here in the shop, get over it with the high-powered lights so I can kind of be a little bit more specific on where I bring the clay bar and all that stuff. So overall, again, the vehicle is in not terrible shape, but it doesn't mean that there's still not a lot of paint correction that needs to be done with this vehicle. So thank you so much for watching. We're going to continue right along with paint correction, so let's keep going. So finally, this Hellcat is ready to be ceramic coated. We're gonna get after the ceramic coating now. And of course, when we're done, we're gonna show some final pictures and the end result of what it looks like. But appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave some questions in the links below. And let's keep going. The best thing about ceramic coatings is once you actually have that coating on the vehicle and you follow the rules and you respect the coating and you play by the maintenance schedules, this is going to last for years to come. And it doesn't really take much work. I think sometimes we've kind of gotten to that mindset where we think, it's got a ceramic coating on it, I don't have to wash it, I don't have to do anything. And a little bit of upkeep goes a long way, and you could see a 2 or 3 year coating last a lot longer than 2 or 3 years if you just play by the rules. So I tell people you got to respect it, you got to enjoy it, and you got to want it. So I'm not here to upsell everybody on ceramic coatings, but when you get them installed, the end result is really world-class and second to none. The comparisons and the shine is just jaw-dropping. So thank you guys for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you have any questions, please leave me some comments below. I'd love to talk to you guys about your car. So you guys have a good one. We'll see you. Thanks for watching.